Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to automate your marketing in 2025, there is a good chance you have come across ManyChat and GoHighLevel. But which one is actually right for your business? In this video, we are breaking down ManyChat versus GoHighLevel in in-depth side-by-side comparison, so you don't waste money or time choosing the wrong tool. Who they are for. Let's start with the basics. Who are these platforms designed for? ManyChat is built primarily for e-commerce brands, solopreneurs, and small businesses that want to engage users through chat automation, especially on Facebook Messenger, Instagram DM, WhatsApp, and SMS. On the other hand, GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing platform designed for digital marketing agencies and service-based businesses. It's basically a Swiss Army knife. CRM, email marketing, funnel builder, calendar scheduler, and yes, even chat bots. So if you are just looking for chat automation, ManyChat is your guy. But if you want a full stack marketing platform, GoHighLevel may have the edge. Features comparison. Features comparison. Number one, chat automation. ManyChat is the clear leader here. It offers visual flow builders, Instagram DM automation, messenger templates, and even e-commerce integrations with Shopify. The UX is beginner friendly and polished. GoHighLevel also supports SMS and FB messenger automation, but it is more backend focused. It is not as sleek as ManyChat and chatbot design, but it is highly customizable and integrated into your CRM. CRM and pipelines. GoHighLevel wins big here. It offers a full CRM with pipelines, opportunity tracking, tags, automations, and more. Features ManyChat simply doesn't have. If customer lifecycle management is crucial for you, GHL is the better option. Email and SMS marketing. Both platforms offer SMS, but only GoHighLevel offers built-in email marketing. You can run full campaigns, drip sequences, and even A/B tests. ManyChat supports email via third-party integrations, but it is limited. Funnels and websites. Only GoHighLevel has native funnel and website builders, like ClickFunnels and lead pages rolled into one. You can create land pages, opt-ins, and entire sales funnels. No third-party tools needed. Number 5. Appointment bending. GoHighLevel includes a Calendly-style booking system with automated reminders and follow-ups. ManyChat can do bookings via bots, but it is not as seamless. And finally, integrations and APIs. ManyChat integrates well with tools like Shopify, Zapier, MailChimp, and Stripe. GoHighLevel focuses more on replacing tools rather than integrating with them, but Zapier and webhooks are still available for custom workflows. Pros and cons. ManyChat pros. Excellent chatbot automation, great for Instagram and Messenger, user-friendly visual builder. ManyChat cons. No built-in CRM or email tools, limited scalability for agencies. GoHighLevel pros. All-in-one platform includes CRM, email, SMS, funnels, and calendars. GoHighLevel cons. Steeper learning curve and higher monthly cost. Final verdict. So which one should you go for? Go with ManyChat if you are focused on growing your social presence, if you want powerful chat automation without all the extras, if you are budget conscious or just starting out. Choose GoHighLevel if you are an agency or coach managing clients, if you need funnels, CRM, email, and automation all in one, if you are ready to consolidate multiple tools into one. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.